What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How are we all doing? I hope we are all well and good. It's cold again. I mean, the sun's shining, but it's cold again. So I haven't done much riding over the past few days, but wanted to have a chat. You may have noticed the bike is not looking how it did previously. So I got it to the club style stage. With extending the forks, fairing, mid controls, things like that. And I think it looked awesome. It looked really good. The riding position was like high and tight, kind of sporty, get around corners, made me ride pretty fast and pretty aggressive, which is cool. But it's not my favourite style of riding, not my favourite seating position. I wasn't terribly comfy. And so that brings us here today. We're going to totally change the style of the bike. Totally changed my mind. We're not going club style anymore. We're going to go complete opposite of high, tight, and fast. We're going low, wide, and slow. Basically, I want a laid back cruiser. My favourite seating position and riding style is just laid back cruising. Never been a fast rider, never been an aggressive rider. I've always been chill, sun's out, open face, cruising, country roads. That's my favourite thing to do. And so, yes, low, slow, wide is the goal. That means big chrome apes, slammed rear shocks, forward controls. That's pretty much the idea I'm going for now. So, this just arrived. I believe these are forward controls. So hopefully get them fitted today if the rain holds off. Waiting for some 10.5 inch slammer shocks, which will drop the bike on its rear. And I'm waiting for some 12 inch chrome ape hangers. Also, relocating the Speedo so we get that nice, clean POV view of the road ahead. So I'm going to relocate the Speedo down to my left-hand side. I've got a Speedo mount coming. So we're going to have a nice chrome riser, chrome apes, up like that, laid back, feet out, cruising in the sun, hopefully. So that's the aim. Right now the bike is pretty much how I bought it. It's got the loud pipes back on, which, to be fair, I put my earplugs in and I'm quite enjoying now with an open face. It's got the original bars on, which are kind of like mini apes. That again, I'm quite enjoying. They're pretty comfy. Definitely comfier than the narrow club style ones that I bought. The stock air filter's back on because when I was running the cone air filter, because I haven't got a map, it idled really high at random points. It was getting too much air, I think, because the map's not right. So it couldn't figure out where the idle was. It wasn't running completely sweet. So put the stock air filter back on. Loud pipes are back on. Mustang seat is staying. I love that low profile Mustang seat that I bought. Sissy bar is still on. Can't work out if that's going to stay or not. Potentially I'll keep it because I can strap luggage to it and I can also strap my action camera to it, which I love. But for that look that I'm going for, I'm not sure it's going to suit it, so that might come off. I'm going to go and try to fit the forward controls. And then over the next few days, more parts are going to arrive, like the slam shocks are coming tomorrow. Speedo Relocate is coming tomorrow. Over the next few days, I'll put all these parts on, and hopefully by the weekend, we get some sunshine and we have a low and wide, loud and slow cruiser that I can just lay back and enjoy the ride. That's enough of me rambling. I'm going to go fit these now. Sweet. Put the shift side on because it's the easiest one to get on. Looks pretty good, pretty happy with that. Haven't taken this off yet because one of the bolts is super stuck, so I might just leave that on for a bit of protection. If it ever rolls over, it might protect the engine casing. It's not getting in the way of anything, so I might just leave that there. Right, let's try and get the other side on. I have to take the exhaust off to get the other side, so long. Just sat here for absolute hours trying to find the right size Allen key for that. Couldn't find it anywhere. Gone through all of my tools, just about to give up, and then realised it's a fucking T27 Torx. Now it's coming off just fine. Idiots. Done it. We've done it, boys. Right, we are all back together and done. We've got that lovely forward brake lever and the shifter. It all shifts nicely. Really, really nice. Got that nice forward position now. I just need my apes. And then the rear lowering shocks tomorrow. And we're going to be onto a winner. That was a big job. Nothing's ever simple, but we're there. We're done. We've got 10.5 inch slammer shocks for the Sportster. Right, let's get to it then. That's gonna go about there. Come down a bit. Should be simple enough, but nothing's ever simple, is it? Oh, ouch. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is very low. Gonna take these stickers off. Sorry, H&C Customs. Big up to you, but I don't really like these stickers too much, so they can go. Speedo relocation mount just arrived. Lowering shocks are on. I'm gonna go give this a try now. What do you reckon, Hans? Give this a try? Alright. So, this bolts on there and there. I've used it before with a peanut tank, but not with a touring tank. And the touring tank, I'm hardly gonna see the Speedo. Oh well. I hardly look at it anyway, so we'll give it a go, but gotta get that off and into here somehow. Probably a long job, but I've got some time on my hands today, so give it a go. She's out. She's out. Now we need to transfer her into this mount. I'm going to do that inside. This might be a bit tricky. Alright, we're done. That was easier than I thought. Just got to screw these back in now and then plug that in. Right, does she work? Turn on the ignition. Yep. There we go. All good, all working. Love that. Not going to be able to see a thing, but oh well. At least I've still got a Speedo. Slammer shocks are on. Speedo Relocate done. Now I'm just going to go enjoy the fruits of my labour. I think that's the saying. Yeah, go test her out. The sun is shining. I need a coffee, so let's head to the coffee shop test out the slammer shocks and the relocation of the Speedo. See how we feel. Let's go. Made the bike so low that I've scraped the exhaust hanger. Go around a mini roundabout. What do I do?